John Ragon from Ragon Creative. I'm a SEO consultant and run Friday marketing newsletter for smaller businesses, entrepreneurs. I knew I wanted to keep things as a marketer super personal in my emails, but to be honest, I feel like I lacked the time to really implement liquid code. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and didn't want to halfway implement. I found tons of resources on how to do that, even like taking screenshots of liquid code. And so that was helpful. I think I've even written out processes of what I would do, how I would add things, where I would add things into my email templates, but I never really did it. The personalized tagline, I'm planning to implement that really soon because I have clients and readers in several different verticals. And then things like getting just the basic stuff, man, like getting the first name, using days of the week. I loved that I could just copy stuff right out of Notion. I didn't have to, first, it sounds dumb, but even having to retype the liquid code as a non-coder or formula out of like a screenshot just felt overwhelming to me. Probably wouldn't be that bad, but for somebody who's just used to writing blog posts and email content, writing out the liquid formula just felt super overwhelming. I love your teaching style because it's so easy to follow, which is impressive since I know you're a coder. But that is super helpful for me. So I knew your templates and explanations would be super easy to follow. And then I didn't expect all just the email ideas. So the stuff you call the fun email ideas of, hey, you should send this a year after that person subscribes, or 30 days later, you might as well just automate this one email to just see kind of what they're learning, what's been good, what's been bad, stuff like that. So strategy suggestions that you have sprinkled in throughout the templates was really helpful and more than I expected. I'd say for me, it's mostly just save time and has kind of decreased the overwhelm I felt about writing more ConvertKit emails and sequences more than just like a Friday newsletter. Overall, I loved it, man.